Betting time, lightning strikes. 5, 7, and 8 for 575. We have here double ones, 3 as well, low 5, and lightning strike again. This time 75x. 383 victories for 283 of you. Multi as well. Call in at 4. It's our betting time. Hi, and again. Hi again. How's your day? Hey. Okay, here's again. Now we're betting time. Lightning strikes 3, 11, 13, and a triple for 3,500x. Double threes we got here. 1 as well. Enjoy the low 7. 154 v1 in our body tower betting time. X, you don't like my sessions? I don't like you sessions. What does that mean? Why don't you like my sessions? Why? What's wrong with my sessions? Offending me, bullying me. What you don't like? 3, 6, and a 14 for 3,500x. Let's go. Two, 3, 4, 11. 454 of you won. Congratulations. Matar injured Tasha Talbert Bainton. No, but for real, what you don't like about my sessions? What's wrong with it, Dax? Explain yourself. I'm waiting for explanation. What exactly don't you like about my sessions? I bought what same numbers. Well, okay, now we're back. 6, 11, and triples for triples 100x. Okay, so now double 1, 6 as well. Low 8, 146 winners. Enjoy. Indigo and John and ZMR Tower buying time. Is that necessarily bad? Well, guys, you have to guess what will happen, you know. You have to guess the outcome. It's not on me. So yeah, well, you have to guess it, guys. You have to guess what will happen, okay? Now we're betting time. It's gonna be 6, 8, 14, and a triple for 14, 100x to you. One, 2, 5, low 8, 50x. 430 winners with a multi 363. ZMR injured body tell victories goes to betting time it is. Did we get doubles, triples, high, low numbers? So one was the 500x channel once it will. I already gave players previously 500x. Let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. Now we're back. 11, 14, 17, low, 17, 100x. 2, 3, 6, 11, 25x, 376 winners, Indigo body, and Nagish Chopri. Let's go. And all you also got a multi. Perfect. Betting time. That is really, really lovely. Those will be your last seconds. Welcome newcomers. How's your day? How we doing?